अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के बारे में। कम्युनिकेशन जो है ये वो मेथड है जिसके ज़रिए हम किसी दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, यानी बातचीत करते हैं। तो ये वो मेथड्स हम हैं जिसमें एक बंदा इन कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को सीख के ईज़िली जो है वो एक अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन कर सकता है। तो एक बैचलर के स्टूडेंट के लिए और इंटर के स्टूडेंट के लिए ज़रूरी है कि वो कम्युनिकेशन को सीखे। लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक कम्युनिकेशन। The word communication is derived from Latin word communis, which means common. It is a process of exchange of facts, idea, opinion, and a means that individual or organization share the meaning and understanding with one another. Definition of communication. Communication is a process of sharing experience till it become a common possession. It modifies the disposition of both parties who partakes. It join devo. Community is sharing of idea, feeling in a mood of mortality. Edgar Dale. Communication is a means of persuasion to influence others so that desired effect is achieved. Aristotle. Communication is a process of exchanging verbal and non-verbal messages. It is a continuous process. अब यहाँ से एक बात समझ आ गई कि कम्युनिकेशन वर्बल भी हो सकती है और नॉन वर्बल भी हो सकती है। अब जो है कम्युनिकेशन का प्रोसेस कैसे होता है, सबसे पहले सेंडर, उसके बाद इनकोडिंग, फिर मैसेज मीडिया जो है वो डिकोडिंग, फिर रिसीविंग, उसके बाद रिस्पॉन्स, फिर फीडबैक। The main components of communication process as follow. Context. Communication is affected by the context in which it takes place. The context may be physical, social, chronological, or cultural. Every communication proceeds with context. Sender, encoder. Sender and encoder is a person who sends the message. Sender, encoder is a person who sends the message. A sender makes use of symbols, word, graphic, visual aids to convey the message and produce the required response. Message. Message is a key idea that the sender wants to communicate. Message is a key idea that the sender wants to communicate. It must be ensured that the main objective of message is clear. Encoding. Communication symbol. The process of conversion of subject matter into symbols is called encoding. The message or subject matter of any communication is always abstract and intangible. Transmission of message require use of certain symbols. Medium. Medium is a mean used to exchange, transmit the message for instance. Written medium is chosen when a message has to be conveyed to a small group of people, while an oral medium is chosen when spontaneous back is required from the recipient as the misunderstanding are clearer than there. Recipient decoder. Recipient decoder is a person for whom the message is intended, aimed to target it. The degree to which the decoder understands the message is dependent upon the various factors such as knowledge of recipient, their responsiveness to the message, and the reliance of encoder on decoder. Decoding. It is the process of translation of encoded message into ordinary understandable language. Receiver converts the symbol and word and sign received from sender to get the meaning of message. Feedback is a main component of communication process as it permits the sender to analyze the efficacy of the message. It helps the sender in confirming the correct interpretation of message by decoder. Feedback may be verbal or non-verbal. It may take written form also in the form of memos, report. Types of communication. Verbal communication is the exchange of information using words, including both the spoken and the written word. The most important aspect of verbal communication are language, pacing, intonation, clarity, brevity, timing, relevance. Non-verbal communication. Information is exchanged through non-verbal communication in a various way. It is sometimes referred as a body language. Durably, or the Bruton 1992 suggests that body language has 12 elements: gesture, facial expression, posture, gait, body space, proximity, touch, personal appearance, eye contact, sound, silence. Symbolic communication, it involves the verbal, non-verbal symbolism to convey meaning. Art and music are form of symbolic communication by nurses to facilitate understand and healing for patient. Meta communication, it is communication about communication so that the deeper message within a message can be uncovered and understood. When a patient tells the nurse that he is cool to undergo surgery with the body rigid and sharp voice, and nurse can interpret that he is anxious as evidenced by the body language. Written communication, another important form of communication is written communication. It is the best method when the communicator and the recipient are beyond oral communication media. A barrier of communication, organizational barriers. These barriers arise when the duty and the line of authority are not clearly defined. Various types of organizational barriers are policy, rules, regulation, facilities, complex organization, status and position. Psychological barrier, poor pronunciation, confused thinking, communication overload, attitude, fear, anxiety, suspicious, jealousy, anger, resentment, antagonism and the prejudices, lack of interest and the lack of listen. Physical barrier, physical health, poor hearing, distant vision may greatly vary in different culture. 18. Initiate for personal, 12. Social, 20. Mechanical barrier, non-availability of proper machines, presence of defective machines, interruption, power failure. Perceptual barrier, lack of common experience. Linguistic, different language or vocabulary, lack of knowledge of any language, low IQ from receiver side, interrupting the speaker, asking too many questions for the sake of probing. From sender side, unclear messages, incomplete sentence, no clarification. Mode of communication, 3 modes of communication. Standard, interpersonal mode, student engage in conversation, provide and obtain information, express feeling, emotion, exchange opinion. Standard 1.2, interpretive mode, student understand, interpret written and spoken language on a variety of topics. Standard 1.3, presentational mode, student present information, concept, idea to an audience of listener or reader on a variety of topics. थैंक यू. मुझे उम्मीद है कम्युनिकेशन टाइप्स, कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर और पहले जो हमने कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन पढ़े हैं आपको समझ आ गए होंगे. इंशाल्लाह आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको याद भी हो जाएगा. थैंक यू.